Have you ever wished you had someone who could reply to every customer's on WhatsApp instantly, answer questions accurately, recommends products and stays available 24 by 7? Well, that's exactly what we are going to see in this video. Today, I'll show you how to create your own WhatsApp AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. And the best part is this is not a basic chatbot with fixed reply. This is an AI assistant that you train with your own business knowledge base. So it understands customer questions and responds naturally, just like a real support executive. Before we move ahead, let me show you few AI assistants that I have already created using Pabbly Chatflow. The first one is for grocery store, the second one is for restaurant, and the third one is for dental cleaning. I am showing you these examples just to give you an idea of the tool and the feature that I am going to use in this video. The feature is called AI Assistant and it is present inside Pabbly Chatflow. No matter what businesses you have, you can create your own AI assistant just like these and make it work on your WhatsApp. So now you might be thinking, why are businesses using AI assistant so much these days? The reason is very simple. Everyday customers ask almost the same questions again and again. What are your pricing? Which product should I buy? Do you have any offers? And much more. And if you reply late, many customers simply leave and contact another business. That's exactly where an AI assistant helps. It replies to customers instantly, understands their questions and answers them using your business information. It works 24 by 7 even when you are unavailable. And this is what I like about Pabbly Chatflow is it makes everything really simple. You don't need to write any code or use different tools. The AI assistant feature is already available inside Pabbly Chatflow, where you just have to do some simple setup, provide your business information, and the assistant starts answering your customers on WhatsApp. So now let's see this feature in action and understand how the assistant is going to be created by using Pabbly Chatflow. So right now I am inside the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. By the end of this tutorial, if you like this tool and create some mind to purchase it, then don't forget to use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get heavy discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and once you reach there, on the left hand side you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow, where you have to come inside this AI assistant feature, and this page is going to be appear in front of you. For creating a new AI assistant, you just have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, give your assistant a descriptive name. I give the name Smart AI Assistant. After that, I am clicking on this button. See, this is the starting point of doing the setup of your AI assistant, where you have to select the instructions type. From here, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. As soon as you can select the instructions type from here, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your user. After that, the temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while high temperature gives creative and flexible responses. You can increase and decrease the temperature from here. After that, you need to select the model provider as well as the model variant from here. And once you've done this, next you have to provide the API key. So for getting this API key, you need to go towards your OpenAI API keys page. Once you reach there, on the right hand side, you will see an option by the name of create new API key. Just click on that button and follow the instructions. Then you will successfully get this API key. So copy that key from here and paste it in this field. After the AI assistant settings with multiple options such as header message, footer message, stop keywords, retry attempts, and fallback message. You can customize these settings based on your requirements. If you want to add any header or footer, then you can enable this toggle and enter in each of these boxes. If you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enter the word in this field. Stop keywords works like this. For example, here I have entered the word as stop, and the user will send exact that word while communicating with your AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stop stop, and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. I'm not adding any stop keywords too. After the retry attempts define as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. If something goes wrong, you can increase it till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or in connection issue. I have entered this fallback message. You can customize it. After that, the knowledge source. This is one of the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of your AI assistant, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now, what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for your AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, your assistant gives general responses. See, this is how the knowledge base file will look like. You have to make sure that it contains all the information related to your business. It plays an important role. I have created this dummy knowledge base file for the grocery stores. You can customize it based on your own business. It works like a brain for your AI assistant. For creating a knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs or any other platform, by the help of which you can create a PDF or the text formatted file. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages and the file size should be less than 90 MB. For uploading a new knowledge base file, you have to click on this option, click on this add new file and upload the file from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I am selecting this from here and clicking on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload a knowledge base file. Now I'm moving forward to the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. Here I am replacing the subheading with Smart AI Assistant. See, it is visible that as soon as I can make any changes in this field, it will automatically change here too. So basically this is the final look of the assistant that is going to be visible in front of your user. After that, you can also add subheadings, initial message. If you want to disable the label that is powered by Pabbly, then you can disable it from here. Enter footer text, footer link and the user first message as well. As again and again I am saying that I have created this by my choice. You can customize it based on your own business. Give your business name here, enter the subheading related to your business as well as the initial message too. Here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. After the styling, here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. See, it works like this. After doing all the setups, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle so that your AI assistant will become active, and click on the Save AI Assistant button. So that's it. You have successfully learned how to create an AI assistant for your own business. And not only here, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites as well. Yes, you heard right. So to do this, you just have to click on this Embed button. It will provide you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy this code from here and paste it inside your websites. And this AI assistant is going to be accessible inside your websites as well. This is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. After doing the setup, you need to set the AI assistant to all of your contacts. For that, click on the settings option and go inside this inbox setting. This is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow, where you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle and select the contact list from here to which you want to set the AI assistant. I have selected this list and select the AI assistant from this drop down. After that, click on the save button. So this is how easily you can assign the AI assistant to all of your contacts. For adding your contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to go in this contacts feature and add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. Now the setup and the creation of our AI assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding this setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And by following the same process, you can also create an AI assistant for your own business as well. If you want me to create a separate AI assistant for your own business, then comment your business name below. I will create a tutorial for that too. This types of AI assistant will work 24/7, answer all of your users' queries, recommend products, shares pricing, and almost done 90% support team work. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business too. If you'd like this tutorial, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.